Do you know who is she? Min-an?
It's Poppy.
Okay, it is Poppy. Okay, next one. Okay, now this time we are going to color the people here. Okay, now I want you, okay, color Pat's hair brown. Okay, you say finish if you're finished.
Finish.
Okay, next one. Now, can you read this one, Min-an?
Color Emma
Face.
is green.
Okay, color Emil's face green. This one.
Wait.
Okay, you say finish if you're finished. Okay, this is Emil. You color Emil into you color the face of Emil green. This one. Okay, this one, Min-an, you color this one, the face. Okay, this one, you color the Emil's face into green. Okay, thank you for coloring them. Okay, you say finish if you're finished.
Finish.
Okay, next one. Okay, you read
Color Albert
Oliver's.
Oliver hair all green.
Okay, color Oliver's hair into orange. Okay, next one. Okay, okay. Now you read this one, Min-an.
Color Poppy's flat pink.
Okay, this is face. One more time. Face.
Face
Pink.
pink.
Okay. Okay, next one. Okay, okay. And
And left my Poppy arms blue.
okay, you color the arms into blue. Okay, you say finish if you're finished.
Finish.
Okay, next one. Okay, this time, and Anne, you read
Color
Eric.
Eric hair yellow.
Okay, color Eric's hair into yellow.